Yeah, Josh. Nice, nice. Are you still doing the lifeguard thing? Yeah. Where do you do that?
At my neighborhood.
Oh, okay, okay. That's nice. How often do you do it?
3 days a week.
Your voice is now a man. God damn. You get paid? Do you get paid?
Yeah.
How? Oh, that's pretty good. May ka nag-decide mo sa mopod.
Gani. Ambot to maka ano ning yang.
Let's do Let's just do a leisurely ride.
Yeah. Ready? Yeah, man. You sure?
But you ride that bike, right? In your neighborhood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you use for that.
Yeah.
This is to get to work.
Yeah. Oh, that's what you used to work? Oh. Look at the houses. Look at that. Those are crazy. It's just like this all the way. There's just a little like hilly part, but not bad.
You can convert your.
Yeah, go.
It's just a
Those youthful legs.
I know.
Ay guys, shifting yun. Full suspension. Yeah, so you can join us on the trail. You're gonna, I think you're gonna enjoy the trail. Yeah. There are several, there are like 3 here, just very close to us. We're gonna come down that way later, going back. You see that? Turtles. There's a lot of turtles. Right there, oh. Oh, brake. You good?
Yeah.
Go? Yeah. We're going that way. Tara. Clear. Let's go. We're gonna cross and then cross that way, but we have to stop here first. Naita. Yeah, clear. Come on, clear. Josh, this is I-45. Yeah. I-45 big. Look how big that is. You okay?
Yeah.
Whew.
Water.
Wow, buta. Swimming TL.
Ano pa siya yung gasikan?
Ito present na ito ni Seto Blau. Waya ginakapuya. Siya kaling una yawan ay lagas siya. Yeah, turn right. Yeah, just be careful. There's a lot of pedestrians there. Just slow down a little bit here. Whew. Nice, Josh. Pretty good, huh? You can let it lean. We're gonna take 5 minutes. Dasig siya.
Wait, ito!
Slow down. You're too quick. Oh, look, just go, 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 go. See what your speed is. See? Oh, slow down.
19.
Yeah, 20 is the limit. Taklas, di ba? Taklas. Speed up. Brake, brake.
You okay? Yeah. I know. You're just cruising.
Yeah. Ano man sa ngayon ganay, abre?
Second year.
Drag yapon sa ano no? Climb ano ganay? Climb cane?
Yeah. Following to climb high.
Yeah. Go? Okay, I'll go ahead because we're getting to the highway here.
Drop the beat.